Texas Governor Greg Abbott said on Saturday that he is trying to pardon a man convicted of a illegally armed 28-year-old during 2020 Black Lives Matter protest in Austin, while also scolding the prosecution, which secured conviction. Texas law requires Parole Board to make recommendations regarding pardons that the governor may approve. The governor can also request board to consider an amnesty. Also, I've prioritized reining in rogue district attorneys, and the Texas Legislature is working on legislation to achieve that goal. Abbott's office did not immediately respond to questions about what this effort would entail. A Texas jury convicted Daniel Perry, 37, on Friday for fatally Garrett Foster during nationwide protests against police brutality in July 2020. Both Perry and Foster are white men. Perry, an Army sergeant commissioned in Fort Hood in 2020, was working for a ride-sharing company the night he sped through a city street packed with protesters, The Washington Post previously reported. Protesters were crossing a street in downtown Austin and Perry honked his car. Foster had an AK-47 strapped to his chest as he approached Perry's side window. Open carry is legal in Texas. U.S. Army Sergeant Daniel Perry fatally shot Garrett Foster during the Black Lives Matter protest in downtown Austin on July 25, 2020. In video of the incident, gunfire was heard and protesters dispersed screaming. Perry escaped and Foster was hospitalized and later pronounced. Perry later surrendered and told police that Foster had fired 5 shots from his pistol as he had pointed his own gun at him. Perry's defense attorneys said he had no choice but to shoot Foster as he approached Perry's car with an AK-47 rifle, the Austin American-Statesman newspaper reported. But prosecutors said Perry may have walked away before she fired her pistol. Perry's defense team argued that Foster raised his rifle at Perry. Witnesses testified that Foster never lifted his rifle, the newspaper reported. The jury debated for 2 days before convicting Perry of. He faces life imprisonment and awaits his sentence, scheduled for Tuesday. If granted, a pardon would free Perry from jail time, but it does not guarantee that the crime will be removed from his criminal record, according to Texas pardon process. The Texas Board of Parole and Parole, the Travis County District Attorney's Office, and Perry's defense team did not immediately return or request for comment.